Hi guys, for today's ingredients you will need some olive oil, some tomato sauce, our beef seasoning, which is 1 tablespoon of wortischire sauce and a teaspoon each of Dijon mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 2 sliced large brown onions, 6 slices of Swiss cheese, some sesame seeds, 500 grams of minced beef and 12 brioche sliders. Starting with the minced beef, add in your seasoning, mix it together and set it aside to marinate during our next step. In a pan on medium heat, drizzle some olive oil and add 50 grams of your unsalted butter. Let it melt down and add in your onions. Mix that constantly for about 15 minutes or until sautéed. Now add in your minced beef and mix that constantly for another 15 minutes. Once your meat is just about ready, preheat your oven to 150 degrees and cut your sliders in half, laying out only the bottoms into your casserole. Place a blob of tomato sauce onto each bun, and the amount of sauce that you do put is completely up to you. And now spread your meat out evenly over the sliders. Lay out your 6 slices of cheese over the top. Melt the rest of your butter in your microwave. Add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and mix it together. Place the top of your sliders back into the casserole. And pour your melted butter over the top. Sprinkle over some sesame seeds. Pop that in the oven for 5 minutes. And they're finished. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe.